Hello guys, so for today's video, we'll be showing you how to disable GoGuardian extension on a school computer. So first thing you want to do is click on the settings on your Google Chrome, and then under extensions, like so, click manage extensions. Now once you're inside extensions, go to the search bar above, and then click on GoGuardian to search a GoGuardian extension, like so. And then under that, click the details as pointed on the screen. And then once you're in, go to the URL above and then highlight and copy the GoGuardian link, and then go back to the Google Chrome tab and then paste the one that I provided under this YouTube video. And as you can see that I highlighted the GoGuardian URL that you copied. And then highlight that again, all of them, and then copy. And then on the bookmark tab, click add page, and then set the name to letter A, and then paste the URL, the one that we copied, the GoGuardian URL. And add another page on the bookmark, this time letter B, and then URL, change new tab to kill, save, and then last page, this time letter C, and then change new tab to hang, and then save. And then what we want to do is click on the letter A, and it should show up. And then click on the letter B, it should show up, and then click reload, the reload button on the top, and then go to letter C multiple times, click it multiple times, and now your GoGuardian is disabled. In order to test it, go to Discord on your Google Chrome tab, and as you can see, you're in. Your GoGuardian is disabled.